Artificial intelligence has become incredibly skilled. It can now create images and videos that look astonishingly real. These AI systems, often called generative models, learn from vast libraries of existing photos and videos. They study patterns, textures, and light. Then, they use this knowledge to produce entirely new content from a simple text description. You could ask for a photo of an astronaut riding a horse on Mars, and the AI could generate it in just seconds. This technology opens up amazing possibilities for art, design, and entertainment. It allows creators to bring their wildest imaginations to life without needing a camera or a film crew. However, this powerful capability comes with a significant challenge. When AI can create images that are indistinguishable from reality, how can we trust what we see online? A picture of a politician saying something they never said could be generated and spread widely. A video showing a public event that never happened could convince thousands of people it was real. This blurs the line between fact and fiction. It makes it harder for all of us to know what information is genuine and what is designed to mislead us. This erosion of trust is a serious problem for our society, affecting everything from news consumption to personal relationships. The core of the issue lies in the sophistication of the technology. Early AI-generated images often had strange flaws, like people with 6 fingers or distorted backgrounds. These were easy tells, but the technology is advancing at a breathtaking pace. Modern AI can now render fine details with incredible accuracy, from the subtle reflection in a person's eye to the complex texture of fabric. This realism makes casual observation insufficient for telling truth from trickery. Without a reliable way to verify the source of an image or video, we are left to guess, making us vulnerable to manipulation and disinformation campaigns that can spread like wildfire across social media. This new reality forces us to ask critical questions about the media we consume every day. Is that shocking photo in your newsfeed real, or was it created by an AI? Is that video clip of a celebrity endorsing a product authentic, or is it a deepfake? The uncertainty can lead to a general sense of distrust, where people begin to doubt even authentic information. This phenomenon, sometimes called the liar's dividend, is dangerous. It allows wrongdoers to dismiss real evidence as fake, further complicating our shared understanding of the world. We have entered an era where seeing is no longer believing, and we urgently need new tools to navigate it. To rebuild trust in the digital world, we must demand transparency. It's no longer enough to simply look at an image and decide if it feels real. We need clear, reliable signals that tell us where a piece of content came from and how it was made. This is not about banning AI-generated media. It's really about providing context. Think of it like a nutrition label on food. The label doesn't tell you what to eat, but it gives you the information you need to make an informed choice. In the same way, digital content should come with information that reveals its origin, whether it was captured by a camera or generated by an algorithm. This need for verification has led to the development of new standards. One of the most promising is a system called content credentials. This technology acts like a digital birth certificate for an image or video. When a piece of media is created or edited using a tool that supports this standard, information about its creation is securely attached to the file itself. This information can include who created it, what tool was used, and whether AI was involved in the process. It's a way of embedding the story of the content directly into the content, making its history transparent and traceable for everyone to see. Having a system for verification is a crucial first step, but it only works if it is widely adopted. Imagine if only a few food companies put nutrition labels on their products. It would be of limited use. Similarly, for content credentials or other verification systems to be effective, they need to be built into the tools we all use. This includes cameras, photo editing software like Adobe Photoshop, and the AI models that generate images. When the entire ecosystem supports transparency, the information will travel with the content wherever it goes, from the creator's computer to a news website and onto social media platforms. The goal is to make transparency a core feature of the internet, not just an optional add-on. When you see an image online, you should be able to easily check its credentials with a simple click. This empowers you, the viewer, to assess the content's credibility for yourself. It shifts the dynamic from one of passive consumption to active verification. If an image claims to be a photograph from a war zone, but its credentials show it was made with an AI tool, you immediately have the context you need to question its authenticity. This simple act of checking is a powerful defense against misinformation. Digital watermarks are a key part of how systems like content credentials work. These are not the visible watermarks you might see overlaid on a photo. Instead, they are invisible signals embedded directly into the data of the image file. These signals are tamper-resistant, meaning they are difficult to remove without damaging the image. When an AI model generates an image, it can automatically embed a watermark that says, "This was made by AI." This watermark stays with the image as it is shared, copied, or reposted across the internet, acting as a permanent, invisible label of its synthetic origins. This technology provides a secure and verifiable trail. When you encounter an image online, a platform or a browser tool could scan for this hidden watermark. If it detects the made with AI signal, it could then display a clear label to the user. This is where content credentials come in. The watermark acts as the secure link back to a manifest of information about the image's history. This manifest is the detailed record, the who, what, when, and how of its creation. Together, the invisible watermark and the accessible credentials provide a robust, two-part system for proving provenance. Beyond watermarking, we can also use AI to fight AI. Researchers are developing sophisticated detection tools that can analyze pixels, patterns, and other artifacts in an image to determine the probability that it was AI generated. These AI detectors function a bit like digital forensics experts. They're trained on millions of real and synthetic images, learning to spot the subtle, almost invisible fingerprints that different AI models leave behind. As generative models become more advanced, these detection tools must also continuously evolve to keep pace, creating a sort of technological cat-and-mouse game. These detection systems can be used by social media platforms and fact-checking organizations to automatically scan vast amounts of content. When a likely fake is found, it can be flagged for human review or automatically labeled for users. For example, a platform could implement a system that flags any uploaded image that lacks proper content credentials and also shows a high probability of being AI generated. This doesn't block the content, but it provides crucial context, warning users to be skeptical. Combining proactive labeling, watermarks, with reactive detection, AI analysis, creates a multi-layered defense against the spread of unlabeled synthetic media. Technology alone cannot solve the problem of digital trust. The solution requires a collaborative effort from everyone involved. AI developers have a responsibility to build their models ethically. This means embedding transparency features like content credentials and watermarking from the very beginning. It should not be an afterthought. Ethical use policies are also vital. Developers must be clear about how their tools should and should not be used, particularly regarding the creation of deceptive content or non-consensual images of real people. Consent must be a cornerstone of this new creative landscape. Social media platforms and news outlets hold immense power and therefore have a significant responsibility. They must integrate verification tools into their systems. When a user uploads an image, the platform should automatically check for content credentials and display them clearly. They should also use AI detection tools to flag unlabeled synthetic content. Making this information easily accessible is key. A small, clear icon or label that says AI generated or digitally altered can make a world of difference. These platforms must commit to transparency as a core principle of their user experience, not just as a response to regulation. fact-checkers, and journalists also play a crucial role in this ecosystem. They are the human experts who can investigate the context behind a viral image. With access to verification tools, they can more quickly and accurately debunk fakes. Their work helps educate the public and hold platforms accountable. Lawmakers, too, must step in to create sensible regulations. These rules should encourage the adoption of transparency standards and establish clear consequences for the malicious creation and distribution of harmful deepfakes without stifling innovation or free expression. It is a delicate balance, but one that is necessary for a healthy information environment. Ultimately, building a future where we can trust what we see online is a shared responsibility. It requires AI creators to build transparently, platforms to display information clearly, fact-checkers to investigate diligently, lawmakers to regulate wisely, and all of us as users to think critically. We must all become more savvy digital citizens, asking questions about where our information comes from. By working together, we can harness the incredible creative potential of AI while building the guardrails needed to protect ourselves from the trickery. The path forward is not to fear the technology, but to shape it with a collective commitment to truth and transparency.